Phillip Island, Danilo Petrucci again presents a surprise on the MotoGP pre-season test ahead of 2016, when practicing at Phillip Island Circuit, Australia. Wednesday, February 17, 2016, Petrucci successfully recorded the fastest time in the first session. Octopramic team riders such Yufnat carved time of 1 minute 31,764 seconds. He is 0.719 seconds ahead of Suzuki rider Maverick Vinales. Wet track due to rain complicate the action of the rider. Jorge Lorenzo, who performed brilliantly in Malaysia a few days ago, only a record time of 1 minute 39,825 seconds, while Marc Marquez carved out time of 1 minute 35,354 seconds. Meanwhile, Valentino Rossi performed better than the two rivals. The Doctor is in sixth with a time of 1 minute, which stood bagging 33,088 seconds.